Look at the size of this broccoli. Oh my goodness. It's huge. $7.79 for 4. $2.49 for 2. Yeah, I know what I'm buying. Everything's gone up overnight, honestly. I just noticed that the hardwood is from South America. Cool. The last lot we had was Zambia, and I heard that we couldn't get it from them anymore. So yeah, this worked really well in our last barbecue. So I've just loaded it up, and I will put in the fire starters and give her a quick start up. I just remembered I didn't even have the chimney ready. So hopefully I'll get this going. I'm running out of gas. Hold it. Let's go for it. Here we go. Get another fire starter. Grill plate and close it up. I've got the wood soaking, and it's mesquite wood. So we'll just soak that for about half an hour before it goes in, and that will stop it from burning off really fast, so you get a good smoky flavour. Okay, you can see it's starting to heat up the coals in the chimney. Just going to leave it for a bit longer. Do some pork. Just season the meat. With whiskey, barbecue sauce, glaze, Got a little bit of this left. Not much, but it will be enough. Just leave that for now, and I'll go and have a look at the barbecue. Hey, chicky girl, where are you going? Okay, bye bye. There's a little bit of heat there, bit of smoke coming out. Let's see. Okay, dogs are barking. Let's do this quick. Gloves on. So that it's very hot. I'm going to need some more fire starters for sure. There's not much heat there at all. I need one of those flamethrowers. It'll really get it going. Right, let's just close her up. Got the vents wide open. Let's just leave her to hopefully get some flame going on in there. So quite happy that hubby built this shelter for the barbecue because it's raining. It's summer, you know, crazy. We are getting there. You really need an hour at least to preheat your barbecue, but I am pushing it. It's going to be a late dinner, I think. Alright, I put some more fire starters in, and I'm going to put the plate in and just hope that it really takes off soon. Great. Oh, I better drop the wood in. Plate on. Needs a bit of a clean. That will do fine. Put the drip tray in. And just while it's heating up, the liquid can heat up as well. Just putting water and a little bit of ginger beer that was left over. Basically just sugar water. I'll top that up once I get a bit more heat in there. Okay, It's just over 100 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to stick the thermosensor into it, into the pork. And no. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Now we don't like to waste anything, so all of the sauce and seasoning that was left in the tray, just going to loosen it off, and I will put this into the drip tray. Adds to a bit of flavour in there. Okay, let's have a look. Just put it in, but I'll just gently pour this in. There we go. And the temperature is coming up, but I'll just come back in about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll close up the vents. Got some good flames happening in there. As I'm thinking about it, it's going to take longer than that because the temperature is going to come down. I'm getting smoked out. Right. Let's just let it do its thing and come back in about an hour. I'm going to open it up and put potatoes on. So temperature. Always make sure you open the vents before you open up the lid. Do it slowly. Oh, look at that. It's actually a bit hotter than I would have liked it to be. But this will be eaten tonight. And it says it's only got like 20 minutes to go, but I'm probably going to just leave it on until the potatoes are cooked. And we'll put some corn on as well. And some sweet potato. Okay, back. The dogs started barking, so I had to press stop. They're still going. So I'm probably driving the neighbours a bit nutty with the smell of this barbecue. But we love it. We love our smoker grill. We've used it a lot. This summer hasn't really been a great summer. But because my husband's built this lovely shelter for the barbecue, and yeah, we'll be able to use it a lot more, and over winter as well. So we're at 71 degrees still. It's basically just resting in there while the veggies cook. And it is 7:38, so it's not too late. Everything else is ready. Actually, I'll make some gravy, I think. And yeah, and then it's dinner time. Okay, love you all, bye. Okay, time to turn the veggies. Pretty much do it with my fingers. Right. Creamer is ready. Sweet potato. Oh, there we go. Potatoes. Take a little bit longer to go. I didn't pre-cook these. I did pre-cook the sweet potato though. The meat is at 71 degrees. So I do want to take it to about 73. Actually looking really good. Yum yum. I'm back. It's time to take the pork out, and I'm going to wrap it up in foil and just let it rest. Right. It smells divine. You can see the smoke coming out. Okay. Angle the camera. Open up the vents. It really does look great. And I'll just check. Oh yeah. We're at 73. So that will be well done. You know what, I didn't bring the right tongs out with me. It's okay. Oh. Got these ones. Love you all, bye.